So this is just the beginning of Lake Duluti. We're going to visit more fun places, and we're going to see more, and I'm going to do more fun activities here in Lake Duluti, and we're going to go canoeing, hiking, everything that you can imagine here in Lake Duluti, and I'm going to complete all the activities and challenges I promised you I will do. And before we start this video, don't forget to smash the subscribe button and put a big thumbs up. Let's start. Let's go. So guys, this is the whole view of Lake Duluti. Wow, look at how amazing and beautiful it is. Wow. So our first activity is that we're going to go canoeing. It's going to be so fun. I'm going to explain everything about Lake Duluti. Make sure to stay tuned in this video and watch more amazing things here in Lake Duluti. Let's go! So guys, before we go canoeing, I have to say hello to my little friend over here, Flamingo. Isn't he so cute? So guys, before we start going to canoeing, safety is first. So I'm going to teach you how to put a life jacket on. You put this in. Isn't that right, buddy? First, before you go canoeing, you have to put the life jacket on, right? Yeah. How do you put this on? Just gotta show them how we're doing it, and then zip it up. And then you tie this up. This orange thing here has to be tight. Well, not that tight because you can't breathe out. And then what do you do next? Yep, I guess that's all. No. I think I forgot something here. So let's get into the boat. These first. This is gonna be so. Oh, okay. We're in. So right now we're starting our journey to go explore Lake Duluti. And our first stop is the Muddy Island, right over there. Are you able to zoom it? Like right over there, yeah. That's the Muddy Island. So people will be wondering why the water is green. And some people think that the water is dirty, but that's actually not. The true fact is that the trees are reflecting through the water, so that's why it's making it green. So water is colorless, it has no color. See? It's colorless. It's because of the trees reflecting. So this forested area here is home for reptiles such as snakes and lizards. And also, fishing and birdwatching is famous here at Lake Duluti. Wow, I've never seen birds this color. They have a lot of colors like blue, green, red. Ooh, they're butterflies. I like the place here. It's so calm and natural. Everything's calm, natural here, calm. I can even hear the sounds of the birds. Wow. Oh, and some people over there are canoeing. Wow. I think they're coming back. This place is so beautiful. I love it. I want to be here again now. So hapa nipo na Uncle David na Uncle David atatuelezea kidogo kuhusu Lake Duluti. Uncle David, unaweza kutuelezea kuhusu Lake Duluti ilivyoanzaje?
Kabla ya hili ziwa ilikuwa ni mlima. Before, yani kabla ya Saa Mount Meru inafanya eruption ya ile volcano yake. Hii miamba ya huu mlima ilikuwa ni milaini. Kwa sasa inazidi kufanya kule na nili huu mlima hapo ukawa na sinki polepole, unashuka mpaka ilipofika chini ikawa na toboa zile water vapors za chini ya ardhi kule. Kwa maji yakawa yanapanda taratibu kama chemchemi, kidogo ikawa inaongezeka, ndo mpaka imeshakuja kuwa imeitwa ziwa.
Sasa hivi ndio imekuwa Lake Duluti.
Ndio inaitwa Lake Duluti.
Uncle David, na swali, kwani watu wanaruhusiwa kuogelea?
Hapa hairuhusiwi kuogelea kwa sababu before ilikuwa ni mlima. Kwa mlima ulipokuwa una sink kwa kuna matope. Kwa hiyo ukiogelea ukizama chini utashikwa na matope, utashindwa kupanda juu. Kwa hiyo ndio maana serikali hapa hairuhusiwi kuogelea.
Wow. Kaka David, hapa kwenye huu msitu kwani kuna wanyama wakali?
Hapa hamna mnyama mkali zaidi, yani aliyopo ni nyoka tu ambao ni green mamba. Pia tumeona inakuwa ni vigumu. Lakini kuna ndege, kuna monitor lizard. Sana ni ndege ndio wako wengi, maana ni msitu mkubwa sana. Kwa hiyo ndege ni wengi. Na pia kwenye maji hamna mamba wala hipo, hamna wind,
Hamna chochote.
hamna kitu chochote zaidi ya samaki tu. Na samaki wako aina mbili, Tilapia fish na catfish.
Kaka David, kwani kuna samaki wakubwa kama catfish?
Samaki ni wakubwa, maana kuna juzi alivuliwa mmoja na mita 1.5. Alivuliwa hapo kisiwani.
Wow, that's hella big. Kaka David, na swali ingine ya mwisho. Kwani samaki hawavutagi na matope, maana hao si ndio hapo kwenye maji?
Samaki hawezi kuvutwa na matope kwa sababu yeye bado anaishi kwenye maji. Lakini samaki anayekaa kwenye matope ni kambale tu. Wanakaa kule kwenye matope ili aweze kupata chakula.
Unapata chakula kwenye matope?
Chakula chao wanapenda kwenye matope, maana sasa ile FM nyingi zinakaa kwenye matope.
So hawezi kuvutwa. Okay. That is so scary and crazy. Can you believe that? A mountain used to be here and now it's a lake? That's so crazy and really fascinating. I mean, look at the view of this place. It's so nice, beautiful. Wow, and so calm. I wish I lived here. The only fact that I heard that there are green mambas just made me so scared. Because, I don't like snakes. They're kind of disgusting. But anyways, the good thing is that there is nothing dangerous here in the water. And green mambas are very hard to find. And yeah, so we'll just enjoy our tour peacefully. So guys, our next destination is the Muddy Island. And if you can look closely, you can see an eagle right over there. The eagle. Yeah. So you guys have been wondering, why are there no people in the Muddy Island? That's a very good question, in fact. The reason why there are no people in the Muddy Island is because this Muddy Island is just not a muddy island, it's a mud-quick island. So if you just step foot in that island, it sucks you in because there is a sunquick inside. So it sucks you in, and that's why people are not in the Muddy Island. But it's safe to watch. You can see, we once saw a monitor lizard over here in this island. It was so cool. Now you can see an eagle right over there. It's so big. Eagles are very big. They're one of my favorite birds. Isn't it so cool? I think it's a falcon. Shh, guys, don't make so much noise, because if you make noise, it's gonna fly away and we don't want to ruin that mood. The view. Hear closely. You can hear the sounds of the birds. There are birds in the forested area right over there. You can hear the sounds. That's what you call a falcon eagle. Wow, Isn't this place so beautiful? And did you hear the eagle squeak? It was so crazy. At first, I was so shocked. Bye bye. This place is so beautiful, and if you can hear closely, you can see you can hear the sounds of the birds. Wow. What type of plants are these? Fern? Bye bye. Oh, I miss it so much. Bye, Mr. Eagle. We'll see you next time when we come back. So now we're leaving the muddy island, also known as the terrific island because it's very scary. The fact that when you step inside the muddy island, your full foot sinks just makes me so scared. Wow. Isn't this place so beautiful? And right over here, you can get the full view of Lake Duluti. So guys, as you can see, there's a hammock bird right over there. It's one of the rarest species of birds. So guys, as you can see, that's a hammock bird. Do you know why they call it a hammock bird? It's because its head is the shape of a hammock. Isn't it so cool? And also guys, look what I found. Okay. Guys, one fact about the papyrus grass, they use this grass to make paper. Can you believe that? Guys, can you believe we saw a lot of species of birds? We saw a hammock bird, we saw an eagle, we saw, I don't know, but those are the things that we saw. We saw this fascinating forest over here. Can you believe it? People go around this area for biking, they hike over here. Wow. Guys, look, the hammock bird right over there. It's flying away to go to his mama. How old is he? Bye bye. See you next time. My experience at canoeing is actually very fun, but it's actually very hard because the water here is very heavy, and oh my gosh, I almost cracked my back, but it was so fun. The experience here at Lake Duluti is so fun. But we still have more adventures because I'm going to show you the cliff of Mount Mary. But wait, not right now. Until we go there, that's when the cliff of Mount Mary will be shown a little bit closer and you can see it very well. So yes, get ready to see the cliff of Mount Mary. So guys, as I promised you, I'll show you the view of Mount Mary. There it is. Isn't it cool? It's so big. And guys, did you know it's the second highest mountain in our country, Tanzania? The first highest mountain in our country, Tanzania, is Mount Kilimanjaro. So right now we've reached here at this place to take some photos, and after that, then we'll continue with our tour to go to the lake. Let's go take some photos. Wow, isn't this place so beautiful? So right now we've finished our tour of canoeing, and our next stop is hiking. So guys, right now we're hiking and it's so fun, guys. Look at this place, so amazing. We have our tour guide over here. He's going to show us different places and what type of animals are there. Do people come here? Is it safe? And yep, guys, let's go and continue our tour of hiking. Come with me. It's kind of rocky over here, so watch your step. Ooh. Oh, hi. Oh my gosh. So scary. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ah! So guys, I hope there are no snakes like green mamba. I heard there are green mambas in this forest. So we're from canoeing. It was so fun. We saw birds, we saw kangaroo, we saw a lot of things in the water. And I hope you guys also learned something, and we're also going to learn something here hiking. Here in hiking. This is not only a fun channel but also an educational channel, so you guys can learn more about Arusha, like Duluti Forest and nature. Isn't this place massive? Wow. Wow, 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 wow. I also heard there are monkeys. So, watch your step, watch your step. Wow. Now you can see the whole view. Wow, guys. Look at this place. You can also see the view of the Lake Duluti over there. Wow. Now I can see people canoeing and also can see Lake Duluti. Isn't that cool? Hiking is so fun, especially when you're not prepared. Come with me, guys. I never knew that I'm going to hike. I only knew that we're going to go canoeing and then we're going to go to the river. Maybe there are more adventures waiting for me. Whoa! Yee! Okay, that was kind of scary. Watch your step, watch your step. Oh, hi guys. So, let's continue our journey. This place is so beautiful. The experience here is I feel like I'm dreaming, guys. Sometimes you go to some places which are so beautiful. Sometimes you feel like you're dreaming. Isn't it so cool? It's so beautiful. I love the nature here. Hiking is actually not that bad. I thought that we are like hiking and then we're going through the mountains and then we're struggling, we're sweating, but it's actually so fun, especially in a cold place here in Arusha. Wow, this place is so beautiful. Okay. Wow. This place is so fantastic, guys. I wish you guys were here with me to see how much fun I'm having right now. I can also smell mint. I can also smell mint. Wow. This is so extraordinary. Watch your step. Watch your step. This place is so beautiful. Whoa. Make sure to not get hit. Wow. This is just like how I wanted my childhood to be. Look at the place. You can also see Lake Duluti right over there. Okay, guys, it has reached the time that I have to ask questions the tour guide. What is your name? Gabs. Okay. Unaweza kutuelezea kidogo kuhusu Duluti?
Duluti ni ziwa, ni Crater Lake. Ni ziwa ambalo lilisababishwa kutokana na tetemeko la ardhi lililosababishwa na mlima Meru kipindi volkano yake ilikuwa hai, ikasababisha tetemeko la ardhi. Huu mwamba ili ziwa hapa lilipokuwa hapa hivi, hapa zamani kote kulikuwa ni mlima kama shape ya ziwa linavyoonekana. Ni kwa hapa tetemeko lilisababisha ile ilivyokuwa kubwa, ule mlima miamba yake ilikuwa ni dhaifu. Ile miamba ikapasua njia za maji yakaanza kama chemchem kidogo kidogo mpaka kufikia mpaka sasa hivi alivyo.
Wow. Aya, na swali, hapa tunapotembea kuna wanyama wakali?
Hapana, hamna mnyama hatarishi. Nyoka wapo ndio, lakini ni wale green forest na so rahisi sana kumuona kwa sababu ya utalii watu wanaofanya. Kuna wanafunzi wanafanya bird watch, wanakuwa na zile kelele, kwa nyoka huwa hawapendi kelele. Kwa hiyo nyoka wanakuwa so rahisi sana kuwaona. Baadhi labda tunaweza kuona monitor lizard.
Monitor lizard. Lakini wanang'ata, nyoka anaweza kumng'ata mtu, yani kitu kibaya kinaweza kutoka.
Monitor lizard ana kihatari chochote.
Na nyoka huyu.
Nyoka sasa ni hatari, na akikung'ata ana sumu ndio, lakini sasa hajaitokea na zubaya wala accident kama hiyo.
Naomba nirudi. To continue na tour. Guys, can you believe that? There are green mambas here. And you know I have a fear of snakes. What if one bites me and I get the venom? Good thing monitor lizards don't eat humans, so I'm not that scared of monitor lizards. But I'm just scared of green mamba. What if it comes out of nowhere and starts showing its teeth? Oh my gosh. I'm so scared right now. Wow, right now you can get like a sunlight. Isn't this place so beautiful, guys? I love hiking. It's so fun, so you can experience the nature. You can see the leaves. It's just so fun. It's just that time of a lifetime that you get this experience. It's so beautiful. It's so greeny here. Oh my gosh. I wish I lived here for some reason. I love living in the mountains, exploring the nature places. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to see monitor lizards. I'm obsessed with them. But I cannot wait to see snakes. I'm scared of snakes. Oh, that was a fly. Sorry. Oh. Now we enter into the cave. Okay. Caves usually have echoes, but this cave has no echo. That's weird and strange. Oh, okay, that's pointy. That's pointy. Wow, this place is so beautiful. Look at this place. One thing about me, guys, I love traveling the outdoors and seeing what nature has to give me today. And today, nature has given me monitor lizards, birds, sounds of birds. This place is just so beautiful. Mount Meru, we saw a clear view of Mount Meru. It was so fun, guys. Oh my gosh, I wish you guys were here with me so you could see what I'm looking at and what I'm stepping on and what I'm seeing and what I'm hearing. If you hear closely, you can hear the sounds of the birds, which is very fascinating and cool. Okay, now we're entering into the dirt sport. Oh, wow. Okay, I'm scared. Okay. Everything is gonna be okay. Everything's okay. Everything's okay. Everything's okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys, when I said this experience is fun, it's also scary at the same time. Because look what you're seeing, bugs, worms. But guys, I definitely recommend you guys coming here to Lake Duluti to explore this place. The forest is just so cool. And I guess we're climbing up. Kapanda. Kenge. Oh, guys. Guys. This is the house of a monitor lizard. Can you believe that? What if there's one inside? Yupo ndani. Oh, fadhali. Jeez, that's kind of scary. Imagining seeing one popping out of nowhere. Anko na swali. Hivi hawa kenge, also known as monitor lizard, sasa hivi wako wapi? Mbona wapo nyumbani kwa?
Cold blooded. So huwa anapenda kukaa kwenye jua. So kipindi cha sasa mchana jua linatoka, unakuta amekaa kwenye jua anaota jua sababu damu yake ni baridi. Ndio maana sasa hivi unakuta yuko kwenye makazi yake.
Kwani kenge anakula nini sana?
Kenge huwa wanakula mayai ya ndege, wanakula na dead fish, wanakula na vyura chura wale wanaokaa huko mzee, kuna wale chura maji wale wadogo. Ndio.
Sawa. Tuendelee. Wow, I just saw a bird. I think I saw a hammock bird. It was passing around here. Wow. Isn't this place so beautiful and scary at the same time? How could nature be this dangerous? Wow. This is one lifetime of an experience. So right now I'm done hiking. It was so fun. Remember guys, we saw the habitat of monitor lizards. We explored the place. It was so fun at Lake Duluti. And also I asked questions from the tour guide. We learned that this place used to be a mountain, and then the volcanic crater erupted from Mount Meru, stuff like that. We learned a lot of things today. I hope you guys learned something from here from Lake Duluti. So guys, we're done canoeing. We saw amazing. Also in canoeing, we saw amazing. We saw fish. We saw birds. We saw hammock birds. We saw an eagle. We saw monitor lizards. We saw Mount Meru, the perfect view of Mount Meru. So guys, I'm done. Make sure to watch my video next time. But before we end this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and put some big thumbs up. See you guys next time.